Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have discussed about the topic that was body talk and whom to consult. So these two topics we have done in our previous session, so in which we have discussed about the various functions of the various parts of our body, okay, and the second chapter, that was whom to consult. In that we have discussed about the various professionals, doctors, or the, you can say, consultants, okay, whom we consult if we face any kind of problem in particular organ of our body. Okay, so just like that, okay, we just go to the specialist of that particular organ to for so that we can get rid of the problems. ओके, तो हम उसी जो जो हमें प्रॉब्लम होती है उसी डॉक्टर के स्पेशलिस्ट के पास जाते हैं टू कंसल्ट, ताकि हमें जो हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं ही कैन or she can help us to get rid of it. Okay, so today we will start with the next topic, that is shake a leg. Okay, so this is the next topic that we will start in today's session. Okay, so the topic is shake a leg, and it is given at page number 44. So the page number is 44, that is shake a leg. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 44, that is shake a leg. Okay, so I am just writing the topic here, that is shake a leg. Okay, so this is the topic and this is given at page number 44, shake a leg. Okay, this is the topic that we will start in today's session. Okay, so the first thing is that what is the meaning of the topic shake a leg. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या है? So the meaning of the topic shake a leg means, देखिए shake a leg means ये नहीं कि पैर को हिलाना या पैर को झुलाना. Okay, so shake a leg means, okay, so move your body or move your legs like for dancing. Okay, so shake a leg means the term we use shake a leg for dancing. ओके, डांस के लिए हम स्पेशली जो ये शेक अ लेग जो है वर्ड वी यूज दिस. ओके, दैट इज shake a leg. Okay, so we shake our legs too for dancing. Okay, so in this topic we will talk about the various dance forms or the various popular dance forms of various countries. Okay, so you know there are various dance forms like hip hop, jazz, ballet, salsa. Okay, so there are number of dance you must have heard. Okay, so today we will discuss about the history of these dance form, from where all these dance forms, some of the dance form, actually not all, we will discuss about some of the dance forms, okay, from where these dance form have been originated or from which country these dance forms are originated. Okay, so here at page number 44 the topic is shake a leg. So the heading that is given here, love dancing, read about some dances from around the world. Okay, so here they have said that if someone is, okay, कई लोगों को डांस करना बहुत पसंद होता है, just like me, I also love to dance. Okay, so to express their feelings, so the people, those who love to dance, they express their happiness through their dance. Okay, वो अपनी डांस से अपनी खुशी जाहिर करते हैं. Okay, so in this topic, as we are discussing about the dance forms, so let's start with the first one, that is ballet. The spelling is BALLET. We don't call it ballet, नहीं बोलते हैं. The spelling is the first dance form that we will discuss, that is ballet. ओके, आप लोगों के नाम में तो बैलेट लिखा है, बट इसको बेटा हम बैलेट नहीं बोलते, वी कॉल इट एज बैले. हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? बैले. ओके, So now here some information about the features of ballet is given. Ballet is a stage dance that originated in Italy and later became popular in France and Russia. Ballet dancers tell a story or show feelings with the help of the precise steps and the footwork, okay, and graceful movements. The dance presentation usually have elaborate classical music, costume and stage scenery. Okay, so now as we are talking about the ballet, okay, so this is the dance form. This is a famous dance form of Italy. तो जो बैले का origin हुआ था बेटा, so the ballet dance has been originated from Italy. So the ballet dance is the origin of Italy. तो इटली से जो बैले डांस का origin हुआ था. नेक्स्ट इन्होंने लिखा है एंड लेटर बिकेम पॉपुलर इन फ्रांस एंड रशिया. बाद में देखिए दो दिस डांस फॉर्म वाज ओरिजिन ऑफ इटली बट लेटर it has gained so much popularity in the Russia and the France. So the people of France and the Russia, they love to do the ballet dance. Okay, so now what kind of a dance this ballet is? Actually this ballet dance is a stage dance. Okay, ये stage पे perform किया जाता है. So this ballet dance is usually performed on stage. Okay, and in this the ballet dancers, you must have seen the ballet dancers, so they wear a frill frocks, okay, and up to their thighs, and the most important thing in this dance is that the balance on of the footwork. Okay, so sometimes they just dance on their ankles, sometimes on their front toes, so they do the footwork. So the most important thing in this ballet dance is the footwork. तो वो कैसे footwork means जो पैरों से मतलब the balance they make, the whole balance of their body they make with their footwork. Okay, so the ballet dancers tell a story or the show feelings with the help of precise steps and footwork and graceful movements. Okay, so the ballet dancers when they dance they show a story with their dance. Okay, so जैसे कि हम बैठ कथक की बात करते हैं कि कथक में हमेशा एक कहानी वो बताते हैं. मोस्टली द मैथोलॉजिकल स्टोरीज आर बीइंग टोल्ड इन द कथक. ओके, समझने के लिए आपको पहले डांस फॉर्म समझना होगा. ओके, सो जस्ट लाइक दैट द बैले इज ऑल्सो अ डांस फॉर्म. ओके, इन विच द डांसर्स, द बैले डांसर्स, दे express their story, express a story with their footwork, with their movements, okay, graceful movements. The dance presentations usually have elaborate classical music, costume and the stage scenery. Okay, so जो ये डांस है बेटा ज़्यादातर ये क्या बताता है, क्लासिकल म्यूजिक, कॉस्ट्यूम एंड स्टेज सीनरी. तो ये तीन चीज़ों को एलेबोरेट करता है. The dance form presentations usually have elaborate classical music, costume and stage scenery. तो ये तीन चीज़ें जो बेसिकली डांस फॉर्म द्वारा दिखाई जाती हैं या दी जाती हैं, दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट इज़ क्लासिकल म्यूजिक, costume and stage scenery. So these three things are very important in a ballet form. So the music sometimes is very fast, sometimes is very slow. Okay, costumes, okay, that ballet dance has particular dance costume. So they have to, whosoever perform that ballet dance, they need to wear that particular costumes. The third is the stage scenery. So stage scenery also plays a very important role in a ballet dance. Okay, so the stage scenery has a very unique, there should be very unique stage scenery as well. So this is the ballet dance. So we are talking about ballet dance. Moving next to the second one, that is salsa. So the second dance form we are talking about, that is salsa. The second is salsa. Now what is this salsa? Okay, so let's talk about the salsa here. So the salsa dance is a popular dance that had its origin in Cuba in 1920s. While some salsa styles are very fast, others are more relaxed. Yet some basic elements are common in all forms of salsa. First, salsa is usually performed by a pair. Second, the partners move smoothly as one team. Okay, so the next second dance form that we are talking about, that is salsa. Okay, second dance form जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is salsa. Now what is salsa? तो देखिए, so salsa is the origin of Cuba. Okay, so salsa dance is the origin of Cuba. So Cuba, if you know this, if you remember that the topic that we have done, that sobriquets, so in that we have learned that Cuba is known as the sugar bowl of India. Sorry, the sugar bowl of the world. क्यूबा को sugar bowl of the world बोला जाता है. Okay, so this salsa, a very popular dance form, is the origin of the Cuba only. Okay, and it is originated in Cuba in the early 1920s. So 1920s में इस dance form का origin हुआ था, that is in Cuba. Clear? The next they have said, while some, okay, so now they have talking about the movements in the salsa dance. So now in this we will talk about the movements of salsa, the steps in the salsa dance. While some salsa styles are very fast, other are more relaxed. Okay, so here they are telling us that the salsa, the person or the couple, actually the salsa dance is a couple dance. Okay, so in this जो दो लोग, okay, the man and the woman, they perform this salsa dance together. So for doing a salsa dance you need a partner. ओके, सो सालसा डांस है बेटा वो हमेशा पार्टनर्स के साथ होता है, बिकॉज द मूवमेंट्स दैट आर बीइंग परफॉर्म्ड इन सालसा डांस, दैट इज, सो द बॉय ही मूव्स द गर्ल. ओके, सो देखिए द मूवमेंट्स दैट आर बीइंग डन और दैट आर बीइंग परफॉर्म्ड व्हाइल डूइंग सालसा डांस. सो उसमें क्या होता है बेटा, जो बॉय है वो मोस्टली जो गर्ल्स को मूवमेंट करवाता है बाय हिज हैंड्स और बाय यूजिंग हिज लेग्स. Okay, so the movements, the salsa dance is though it is a couple dance, okay, so in which the movements of the all this salsa dance is done with between the boy and the girl. The boy और girl दोनों इकट्ठे मिलके जो movements करते हैं इसमें. Okay, so that's why it is considered as a couple dance. Okay, so this is the reason that why salsa dance is considered as one of the couple dance. Okay, in this some movements are very slow, some are very fast as well. कुछ movements बहुत ही slow भी होते हैं और कुछ बहुत fast भी होते हैं. Okay, so and it's need a great coordination. Okay, so this salsa dance, it needs a great coordination between the partners while performing while giving the performance. Okay, so here we have learned that salsa is the dance form that has been originated, or that is the origin of Cuba. Okay, and it was originated in Cuba during 1920s. So 1920s में जो इस salsa dance का जो origin है जो हुआ था. Okay, चलिए moving next to the third one. So the third form of dance, that is Yanko dance. That is Yanko dance. This is the third form of dance, that is Yanko dance. Okay, so now what is this Yanko dance? Okay, so let's read it. Yanko dance is a folk dance of the Han tribe of China. This dance form has a history of 1,000 years in China and is mainly performed during the Lantern Festival. Okay, so now we are talking about the third form of dance. This is also the folk dance of China. So Yanko dance has been originated from China. So it has its origin in China. तो इसका origin कहाँ है? China में. Okay, this dance form has a history of 1,000 years in China. So इस dance form की history में क्या है कि that it has been the dance form of China from near about 1,000 years back. So आज से 1,000 साल पहले. Okay, so this dance form has been performed in the Han tribe. So Han tribe is Han एक कबीले का नाम है, that is in China. So that this Yanko dance form is originated from there only. तो इसका origin वहीं से Han tribe जो कि चाइना में है वहाँ से इसका origin हुआ है. So that is Yanko dance. Okay, so this is also given. This dance has a history of 1,000 years in China and is mainly performed during the Lantern Festival. So you must have heard about the Lantern Festival of China. सो चाइना का बेटा एक बहुत ही फेमस और द वन ऑफ द मेन फेस्टिवल ऑफ चाइना इज द Latin festival. So Latin festival is one of the main festivals of China. Okay, and this Yanko dance is performed during that फेस्टिवल. ओके, तो मोस्टली जो जितने भी उनके दिस यांको दिस यांको डांस इज परफॉर्म ड्यूरिंग द सम ट्रेडिशनल इवेंट्स और ड्यूरिंग सम ट्रेडिशनल फेस्टिवल्स. सो दिस यांको डांस इज बीइंग परफॉर्म बाय द परफॉर्मर्स ऑफ द डांसर्स, ओके, ड्यूरिंग द सेलिब्रेशंस. ओके, सो दैट इज यांको डांस. सो यांको डांस इज द फोक डांस ऑफ Han ट्राइब ऑफ चाइना. ओके, ट्राइब का मीन्स होता है बेटा कबीला. तो ये चाइना के एक Han ट्राइब नाम है, एक ट्राइब है, एक कबीला है जिसका नाम है Han. सो दिस यांको डांस इज हैज गॉट इट्स ओरिजिन फ्रॉम देयर ओनली. क्लियर? एंड इट इज़ मेनली परफॉर्म ड्यूरिंग द लैटिन फेस्टिवल. ओके, जो मेनली वहाँ का लैटिन फेस्टिवल है, ओके, उस दौरान ये जो यांको डांस इज बीइंग परफॉर्म्ड बाय द वेरियस आर्टिस्ट और द डांसर्स, यू कैन से. चलिए, मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू द फोर्थ form of dance, that is hula dance. Okay, so now we are talking about the hula dance. Okay, this is the fourth form of dance that I'm writing here, that is hula. Okay, that is hula dance. Now hula is a dance form of Hawaii. Hula is a dance form of Hawaii, danced to the music of Hawaiian guitars. The dancers wear colorful costumes made of flowers, leaves and cellophane. Okay, so now we are talking about one of the very energetic, very beautiful, very colorful dance of Hawaii. Okay, so Hawaii का ये फेमस डांस फॉर्म है जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, द नेम ऑफ दिस फेमस डांस फॉर्म इज हुला. ओके, सो एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर एज वेल, सो दिस इन दिस द कॉस्ट्यूम्स दैट आर बीइंग worn by the dancers are quite colorful, okay, and brightly colorful actually. So hula is a dance form of Hawaii. So this hula dance has got its origin from the Hawaii. Hawaii is the name of the country from where, okay, this hula dance has been originated. Okay, and this dance is performed on the music of guitars. Hawaiian guitars लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. So ये mainly this hula dance is being performed on the music of guitars. So guitars is a musical instrument. Okay, it's a musical stringed instrument. You must have seen that as well. Okay, so the hula dance is performed on the music that is being produced by the guitars. Okay, next, the dancers wear colorful costumes made of flowers, leaves and cellophanes. Okay, and the dancers who perform this hula dance, they wear colorful costumes. So they wear very brightly colored costumes, as you can see in the picture as well. So they are wearing the dress with the pink and the yellow feathers. Okay, and these they are having some like something, they have hair accessory they are also wearing. Okay, that's a huge accessory they are wearing on their heads. Okay, and the costumes that are being worn by the dancers, those who perform hula dance, is made of flowers. तो वो फूलों से, लीव्स, पत्तों से और सेलोपेन्स. सो इन सब चीज़ों से, सेलोपेन्स मीन्स it's a material, okay, of which the dress of that hula dance is mainly made. Okay, and this hula dance is mainly performed on the beach. तो मोस्टली जो इसका सीनरी अगर आप देखोगे, दैट इज मेनली परफॉर्म्ड ऑन द बीच, सी बीचेस के ऊपर जो मोस्टली दिस hula dance is being performed by the dancers. Okay, so this is hula dance is the origin of Hawaii. Okay, so here now we will just revise with a quick call back. After that we will move the next. So ballet dance is the origin, okay, of Italy. So ballet dance has been originated in Italy. Second, the salsa. The salsa dance has been originated from, that is Cuba, C-U-B-A. So salsa dance origin कहाँ से हुआ था बेटा? Cuba, C-U-B-A, Cuba. Third is Yanko dance. So Yanko dance is the famous folk dance of Han tribe of China. So Yanko dance has been originated from China. China. That is China. एक चीन जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Next is hula. So hula dance has been originated or got its origin from Hawaii. Hawaii. That is Hawaii. So hula dance has been originated from Hawaii. Okay. Chaliye, moving next to the fifth dance form that is given in your book, that is flamenco. That is flamenco. Chaliye, now we will move to the fifth dance form. Okay. The fifth is flamenco. That is flamenco. This is the fifth dance form we are discussing now. That is flamenco. Now, let's read about, let's discuss about, or let's know about the flamenco dance. So this flamenco is a Spanish dance form and also folk music which involves singing, guitar playing, dancing and hand clapping. Okay, it has gained popularity in the recent years and is now taught in many countries. Okay, so now we are talking about the another dance form, a very popular dance form you can see, that is of Spain. So flamenco is the famous dance form, और you can see आप कह सकते हो कि जो flamenco जो dance form है इसका origin कहाँ से हुआ था. So this dance form has been originated from Spain. Okay, so that's why it is known as the one is considered as the Spanish dance. Okay, so this flamenco is a Spanish dance. तो स्पेन में इसका origin हुआ है. Next, and also okay, so this flamenco is a Spanish dance. Okay, other than that they had said, and also folk music which involves singing, guitar playing. So this flamenco dance, okay, so while performing this flamenco, okay, it involves the music as well. So the music includes folk music. ठीक है, folk music आपको पता है जो किसी भी पर्टिकुलर स्टेट या कंट्री का म्यूजिक होता है, ट्रेडिशनल म्यूजिक, दैट इज नोन एज द फोक म्यूजिक. ओके, so flamenco is the folk is performed. Okay, that's a Spanish dance form and is being performed on the music that is the folk music, okay, of Spain. Okay, so this folk music of Spain involves इस जो स्पेन का जो फोक म्यूजिक है बेटा उसमें क्या क्या इन्वॉल्व होता है. इन्वॉल्व सिंगिंग, गाना गाना, ओके, गिटार प्लेइंग द गिटार द म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, स्ट्रिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट, ओके, dancing and hand clapping. Okay, so I'll just give an example of this flamenco dance. If you have heard the song Senorita from the movie Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. ओके, सो जो ज़िंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा जो मूवी है उसमें जो एक सॉन्ग है सेनोरिटा सॉन्ग. सो इफ़ यू हैव एवर हर्ड दैट सॉन्ग, इफ मतलब नॉट हर्ड, इफ़ यू हैव सीन द वीडियो ऑफ दैट सॉन्ग, so that is the favorite, that is the dance form that is being performed by the girl who is wearing the black and red dress there. Okay, so that is the famous dance form of Spain. Okay, so in this flamenco dance is basically performed by the girls. Okay, जो girls हैं, women हैं, they perform this flamenco dance. So they have the move their legs. Okay, so इसमें जो legs की movement है, so they produce sound with the boots they are wearing. Okay, with the clapping, hand clapping, so that needs a great coordination between the hand clapping and the movement of their feet. Okay, so this is the basically the dance form that is being performed by the women of Spain. Okay, now it has gained popularity all around the world. Okay, so now this flamenco dance form, it has gained so much popularity all around the world. Okay, and now it is also being taught in the various countries as well. Okay, अब बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ में दिस फ्लामेंसो डांस फॉर्म जो है ये सिखाया जाता है. ओके, सो फ्लामेंसो is the famous dance form of Spain. Okay, so here we will say the flamenco is the famous dance form of Spain. Okay, or you can say Spanish dance. Okay, and it involves folk music. So Spanish dance के साथ साथ इसमें involve होता है folk music, which includes singing, okay, hand clapping, playing guitar and dancing. Okay, so this is the famous dance form of Spain. Moving next to the sixth one. So the next is the ballroom dance. Okay, this is a very common dance these days. So the next one is ballroom dance. That is ballroom dance. Okay, so now I'm talking about the next dance form, that is ballroom dance. Now let's hear about this. Let's get some information or the knowledge about this ballroom dance, from where this ballroom dance has been originated. So the ballroom dance is performed by the couples in which they follow particular steps. The ballroom dance include the waltz, the polka, the foxtrot and the two steps and the tango. Okay. So जिसको हम normally जो भी in the normal language we call it as a couple dance. Okay, so in this the boy and the girls, okay, this ballroom dance is mainly performed by a couple only. Okay, so in this dance the couples, okay, they perform this dance in a room. Okay, so it can be performed in a closed room. Okay, and they have to follow the steps of each other. Okay, so they follow the step. Okay, आप जो डांस करते हैं that is the ballroom dance. Okay बेटा, so इसमें जो couples होते हैं they have to follow the steps of each other. Okay, and इसमें this ballroom dance includes various forms like waltz, the polka, the foxtrot and the two steps and the tango. So these are the different types of ballroom dance. तो ballroom dance की खुद की भी कुछ अलग भी कह लीजिए types हैं. Okay, so there are certain types of ballroom dance. Okay, so the ballroom dance includes the polka, the waltz, the foxtrot and the two step and the tango. Okay, so these are the various dance forms that are being performed in a ballroom dance. So ballroom dance में mainly perform किया जाता है. Okay, so ballroom dance includes the waltz, the polka, the foxtrot and the two step and the tango. Okay, so this is the form. Tango you have seen. The tango is also very quick form of dance. Okay, so in which the boy he moves the girl very quickly at a very rapid speed. Okay, so that is the tango dance. Okay, so basically these all dance forms are being performed by the couples. Okay, so the ballroom, they have not said that where it has been originated, so nothing is written about it. Okay, so we will move to the next one, that is break dance. So the seventh form of dance, that is break dance. This is a very popular dance form by a very famous dance artist, that is Michael Jackson. Okay, so you must have heard about the Michael Jackson. So let's read about him. Breakdance started in New York City. It was based on the martial arts moves used by the street gangs. In the 1970s, dancers added robot-like moves to the style. In the 1980s, breakdance became very popular when it was adopted by the Michael Jackson. Okay, so Michael Jackson, he is a very famous break dancer. Okay, now he is no more in the world, but he has made this dance form very popular. तो जो इस ब्रेक डांस को दुनिया में एक पहचान दिलाने वाले जो डांसर हैं, दैट इज माइकल जैक्सन होंगे. ओके, सो माइकल जैक्सन ने इस डांस फॉर्म को एक पहचान दिलाई थी. ओके, सो दिस ब्रेक डांस हैज़ बीन ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम द न्यूयॉर्क. तो इसका जो ओरिजिन हुआ था बेटा, सो दिस ब्रेक डांस हैज़ बीन ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम न्यूयॉर्क. सो देखिए, सो द स्ट्रीट डांसर्स और द स्ट्रीट गैंग, सो यू हैव सीन द बॉय गैंग्स. सो द डांसर्स गैंग, एक तरह से डांसर्स की गैंग होती थी स्ट्रीट में, मतलब जो कहते हैं गलियों की जो डांसर्स की गैंग आपने देखा होगा कभी. तो दे जस्ट कम टुगेदर एंड शो वेरियस मूव्स. वो अलग अलग मूव शो करते थे. ओके, सो इसमें इस मूव्स में दे इंक्लूड द सम स्टेप्स ऑफ द मार्शल आर्ट्स. ओके, एंड दे ओके, सो इसमें बहुत सारे स्टेप्स आर बीइंग परफॉर्म. ओके, सो इस लेटर ऑन, Okay, in the 1970s, the martial arts was one of the part of this break dance. So later on they also added some of the robotic steps, so that they have also included. So the dancers, they also included some robotic steps as well in this break dance. But the popularity for this break dance came to the people after that Michael Jackson has adopted this dance form, that is break dance. Okay, so this was the last dance form that we will discuss today. Okay, so the fifth was flamenco. It is originated from Spain. Okay, so flamenco has its origin from Spain. Okay, next is ballroom dance. They have not given any such information from where this dance form has been originated, so we will leave it like this only. Next is break dance. Has its origin from New York. It has an origin from New York City. Clear? So these are the answers for the this is from the page number 44, that is shake a leg. Okay class, so with this I am just ending the session here only. So I will see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.